Hello everyone, my name is Alexander Krakovetsky. I'm the CEO of DevRain Solutions. Our specialization is full cycle development of Windows Phone and Windows 8 applications, and also promotion and marketing. So what milestones we have for this moment? We have 30 apps published for this moment. We have approximately 5 million downloads of our apps in Windows Phone Store. We have an award by Microsoft Ukraine as a best provider of Windows Phone solutions, and we also a part of Microsoft BSpark and BSpark Plus programs. So what we see in the Windows Phone and Windows 8 ecosystem, what problems we see? First problem is that business is not moving fast to new platforms. So a lot of content owners want to moving, but they have problems with cost and timetable. They don't want to invest in new platform. And we have now that Windows Phone have big success in Europe, and nowadays it have up to 10% in different countries. And the second problem is that we have a lot of content apps in the Windows Phone Store and other stores, but the quality of these apps are very poor. So sometimes these apps are just a wrapper of web browser and nothing else. So we offered the solution. We called it VP7 Publish. It's a content engine that allows creating powerful and cheap content apps. It's a native application with deep integration with operation system. It has online and offline support, so you can sync information in online and then read this content offline. It has high performance and traffic minimization options. It has, we create some algorithms for content parsing and displaying and improve existing one. And also we have backend and API for specific scenarios. And now we are working on online generation tool for small and big content publishers. So how it works? If you are a content publisher, you go to the vp7publish.com, just register, select one or multiple sources. It can be RSS, it can be Twitter, YouTube, and other sources, and made some customization, name, title, logos, etc. And that's all. After these few steps, it has a ready to publish package to Windows Phone Store. How we will monetize this solution? Now it's the first case is working, so you can get a free application with our integrated ads. And if you don't want to see advertisement in your application, you just bought a premium subscription. Also, we can brand our solution for different content owners and propose and license our content engine to develop their own projects. Also, we selling our own content apps and working on advertisement network based on all VP7 publish-based applications. So now we have already more than 10 apps available in the Windows Phone Store. Some of them have some tens of thousands of downloads. Silicon Rus, for example, was top 2 application in Russia just right after Yandex application, and average rating is very high for content apps. So what are our feature plans? We want to make generator not only for Windows Phone, but for Windows 8 too. Also, we're working on VP7 Publish for Books Creator. Now its beta version exists. It's also an infrastructure as a service for big publishers. So we have a web publish in the cloud and public API and VP7, VP8 and Windows 8 mobile clients. Now it's working for Windows 8 clients. We have a Levy Beric. It's an official application that works in this way. And of course, we will be moving to other platforms at iOS, Android, Smart TV clients. So we have the core of our team consists of 2 professionals. My colleague Mikhail Galushka is a Microsoft certified professional and Microsoft most valuable professional as well. Me, Alexander, I also have some awards. International, it's a Microsoft regional director. It's a Microsoft Windows Phone most valuable professional. The best professional in software architecture that I got this year on Ukrainian IT Award, and PhD in computer science. So, thank you very much for your attention. I will be glad to answer all your questions.
Thank you, Alexander. Questions, please, if any. I guess there should be some questions. Igor, please.
Why have you chosen Windows apps? As you know, Windows have only 4% of global market share, and the growth of 10% that you mentioned is mainly driven by people who move from dumb feature phones to smartphones. Why not do something in iOS or Android?
The question is very simple. I was an iOS developer for some time, but a Microsoft guy for the same time. So we have a great experience in iOS and Android platforms, and we are Microsoft guys. So we know the mobile ecosystem and principles of mobile, and we want to accomplish this and to reach this experience in the new growing platform. Yes, we have it has maybe 4, maybe 5% in the world, but for example in Ukraine, Russia and Europe it's just about 10-12%. And we expect that in 1-2 years this number will be very growth. So we want to make the product in the growth market, in the platform that will grow for a few years.
Thank you. Any more questions, please? One more question from me.
And if compared to other similar products in the Windows apps ecosystem, how are you better? What are your strong points, weak points? How do you compare to your competitors, and who are your competitors?
So our main advantage is that we start to work with Windows Phone before it was launched in the world. So as I said before, we are Microsoft MVPs, so we have early access to all products of Microsoft. So we started learning this system, and now we have a great experience of all cycle from the idea to the promotion, and we have a couple of apps with millions of downloads in this platform. So we have a experience, and there is no competitors in Windows Phone. We trying to make a great content apps, and we know all about content because I work in university as in PhD work, and we have a lot of completed works in this area. So we know how to display, how to get content be populated, and how publisher can achieve best results with us.